This is Sheris Michelson. Today we'll learn how to discover your face shape. Your face shape can determine your best hairstyle, eyeglass or sunglass frame shape, and placement of cosmetic products. To determine your face shape, secure your hair away from your face and looking straight ahead into a mirror without tilting your chin up or down, take a photo of yourself. Compare your face to the following 9 face shapes. 1. An oval face shape is a little longer than it is wide, is usually the broadest at the cheeks, with the cheeks being nicely angled, has a rounded hairline and jawline, and tapers in at the forehead and chin. Fun fact: an oval face shape is considered the ideal face shape. 2. A round face shape measures the same in length as it does in width, usually has fuller cheeks that lack angles, has a rounded hairline and jawline, and maintains a youthful appearance longer than other face shapes, but may make you appear heavier than you are. 3. A hexagonal face shape is similar to a round face shape, but has subtle angles. 4. A square face shape measures the same in length as it does in width, with the apples of the cheeks looking full, but with the cheekbones possibly appearing flat-looking, and has a square hairline and jawline. 5. A rectangle or oblong face shape is longer than it is wide, has cheekbones that usually appear lower and flatter than other face shapes, and usually has a square hairline and jawline. 6. A long or narrow face shape is longer than it is wide, and usually has high cheekbones, a high forehead, a longer chin, and can have either an angular or non-angular jawline and hairline. 7. A heart or upside-down triangle face shape can appear long-looking, may have high cheeks that get lost in the width of the face, a wide forehead, a more narrow jawline, and a chin that comes to a narrow point. Note, what separates a heart-shaped face from an upside-down triangle-shaped face is a widow's peak hairline. A widow's peak is a growth of hair that descends a little onto the center of the forehead in a soft V shape. 8. A pear or triangle face shape is more narrow at the hairline or forehead and wider at the jawline. Note, this face shape is the opposite of the heart face shape or upside-down triangle face shape. 9. A diamond face shape is wider at the cheekbones or temples than at the hairline or jawline, and tapers in at both the forehead and chin. Determine which of the 9 face shapes most resembles the face shape in your photo. This is your face shape. See you in the next video.